So hello, good evening. We're back to our lesson and the Runyankole series. We launched an attack yesterday about learning how to pronounce, and now I bring you the next session of the Runyankole alphabet. And my name is Dennis. I'm still the same person. We got our first letter of today is ha. So we have ha, he, he, ho, who. We have our first word as ngaha, ngaha, which means no. If somebody asks you, no yenda warire, have you eaten? You say ngaha, meaning no. Our second word is tahamu, ta, ha, mu, tahamu, meaning enter. Then our third word is heza. This word heza, heza, it means finish. If you want to say that I've finished, you add the word na. You say na heza. If you want to ask another person whether he has finished, you put the word wa. And you ask him or her, wa heza, meaning have you finished. If you put wa heza, it becomes have you finished. We have another word okuhinga, okuhinga, to dig. And we have omhoro, omuhoro, which is panga. We have another word eihuri, which is a huri, but you can pronounce it as ihuri, which is an egg. We have another word amahuri, amahuri, meaning eggs. So we got a next letter, which is J, and we have it as ja, J, G, Jo, Ju. We have a word like, but in Runyankole this word is not ja, it is za, ja. We have a word like enjangu, enja, ja, enjangu, which is a cat, enjangu, cat. Then we have another word ija, ija, which is calm. We have another word kugwejejera, kugwejejera, that is to sleep. Then we have another word wanji. Wanji means yes, to respond. If somebody calls you by name and says Mhozi, you respond wanji, that is you are saying yes. Then we have a word omuzigijo, omuzigaijo, that is the firstborn, omuzigijo. Then we have a word enjojo, enjojo, which is an elephant. Some people call it enjojo, but it is enjojo, enjojo, elephant. Then we have okwamushanju, that is July. Okwamushanju, July. We have another word ekireju. This one means chin or beard. We go to K. This is ka, ke, ki, ko, ku. We have a word like karevi. That is a witness. We have another word like omukazi. Omukazi. That is a wife or woman. We have a word like keki. That is a cake. We have ekitabo. Ekitabo. That's a book. We have omukozi. Omukozi. Waka. We have ku. Kureba. This word ku means two. Kureba, kuteeka, kugenda, so it is two. Ninza kureba, I'm going to see. Ninza kugenda, I'm going to go. So this is ku, it is two. So you get that? 9. Cha, che, chi. So it is cha, che, chi, cho, chu.